Anyway, guys, as I was saying in the previous clip, that if you have a driver license, it's better to apply if you are around Belfast, if you are around Borderdown.
Left onto A28, Armagh Road.
If you are
350 feet turn left.
If you are around Borderdown, it is better to apply for Amazon. Shut up!
Turn left.
It makes me nervous.
In 250 feet, arrive at the destination on your right.
Apply for the job, actually, guys.
Arrive at the destination
We have arrived.
on your right.
This thing is so loud. I hate it. Actually, I was. Shut the fuck up. Very noisy. This is actually the attachment in my car, in the back of my car. I couldn't use it because of that big box. Give it name if you see me. The good thing is, most or all the deliveries is around the same area here, so I don't have to struggle driving and doing deliveries anyway.
Navigation started. U-turn. Then in 300 feet turn left onto A28, Armagh Road.
That man, he's so lucky he has a camper van. I wish if I have a camper van. I have not come before. Anyway, who knows, maybe one day I have a spare money to buy a camper van and an amazing house like this one. Let's make it a little bit less louder because it's very noisy, to be honest.
Quarter of a mile turn right.
Look at that amazing field, amazing green field, and it's in the middle of a hill. I like it.
Turn right, then in 200 feet make a hard left turn.
Super awesome. I was thinking of turning right before this truck, but I said no, don't do this because it's so dangerous. Oh my god, look at that gate.
In 150 feet arrive at the destination on your right.
On my right. We have arrived to destination. To the destination. Alright, it is Bullybag number 65. I have a big trouble with these things here to find. 65. Wish me luck to find it. Yeah, I found it. I'm so lucky. The next delivery in that house.
Navigation started. North, then turn left.
I'm eating a snack, by the way. It is a snack that my mother-in-law like cooked for us, me and my wife. Oh my god, they have small dogs. Two envelopes, 1603, no 01. Oh my god. Shut up, dog. Okay, 16. Where is 0? 1. 0, 1. Let's see if they are the same. Yep. I guess I have to go to that dog. Oh, it's a good thing. Oh my god. Wrong. It is the wrong address. The wrong address. Oh my god. It is the next house, actually. It's not this house. Oh my god. And probably... Oopsie. I know. Okay, I'm not gonna drive inside there. I'm not gonna drive inside there because I want to show you this actually. What a nice house. Hello, you have a delivery? Alright, I'm sorry, I'm recording.
Alright, thank you.
Welcome.
Navigation started. Heading northwest, then in 800 feet make a hard right turn.
Do you want to see my snack? It is pure nuts. It is cooked. I don't know what is the name of that, but it's amazing. I was so hungry and I'm working, so I said, alright, I'm gonna just eat that. I'm gonna take it with me. But it's so amazing. I don't know, it's not that much of a sweetness. And it's a bit oily and I don't know, maybe crunchy because of the nuts.
Arrive at the
Hi. $46. I have lots of buckets here, so I don't know if I can reach that, but thankfully I can do that actually. All right, sorry I'm recording, or I can't. No worries. All right. Okay.
Thank you.
What? It says that I have to. I'm gonna. Yeah, give it to you. I'm just gonna walk a little bit. Hello. Because they have the delivery zone in front of the.
Navigation started.
In front of the house door exactly. I have to walk to that house
In a quarter of a mile, make
and then
right turn.
proceed was the delivery. Look what I told you, that's the field I was talking about earlier.
Make a slight right turn. Then at 150 feet arrive at the destination on your left.
It is that house, I guess, maybe. Yeah, it is that house.
In 150 feet arrive at the destination on your left. Arrive at the destination on your left.
And as we have learned earlier, that we have to reverse first, prepare the car to go away. Body bag number 90. Oh, what amazing small house. Bag 19. Yep, here it is. It's a very big house. Look at it. Yeah, I have to go back that road again.
Navigation started. A U-turn. Then in half a mile turn right.
Yeah, better to slow down, to be honest. The road is not stable.